The number one reason why business owners don't implement a password manager is they think it's going to take them too long to get all their passwords into the system. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to get your passwords into LastPass. I'm Audrey Kirschner. I am the Chief Marketing Strategist at Inkema and one of the content creators for the Marketing Mastermind blogs. My video bio is in the description, and we wrote a couple of articles about organizing your passwords in LastPass, as well as how to utilize it across multiple devices. So definitely check those out, and let's talk about getting your passwords into LastPass.
I'm going to use rank math, because I like rank math, as a test case to show you how this is going to work for a site. But first, what I want to make sure that you do is, first and foremost, make sure you've signed up for your LastPass account, you have your login and credentials, and you're ready and set to go. Then what I want you to do is make sure you have this little extension installed. I'm using Chrome, and so this is the Chrome extension. Then after you have the Chrome extension on your desktop browser the next thing I want you to do is make sure that you install it on your phone and on your tablet. That way, when you put a password into LastPass, then you can use it across your desktop, your phone, and your tablet. So make sure you get all of that done first. Okay. So now I'm going to walk you through one of two examples of how to get your passwords into LastPass. And this works on the desktop. You don't get so much of the prompts on the phone and the tablet. So just be aware of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is, let's say you have a site that you already have a login and password for, and you want to get it into LastPass. So I would recommend the next time you go to use that site, again, make sure that Chrome extension is in place. That is when you get it put into LastPass. So let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I am actually going to go to my account, and I have generated a second account for rank math that I didn't have in LastPass. So what this little indicator you're seeing here is that that's actually my primary account. So I set up a secondary account for this. So let's put this in. Okay, so it logs me in, hooray! But look what popped up in the corner. Now that I have the Chrome extension in, LastPass is saying, hey, do you want me to add this? And of course, if I'm going to say yes. So I say yes, and I add it. Now the next time I go to log into this site, I can use LastPass to log in. That is a super great, easy way to get all of your current passwords in. So, but what do you do when you're signing up for a brand new account? Let's go through what that looks like. So one of the sites that I like to use is Noble. And I do have an account, but let's say I don't, right? So we're going to ignore over here where LastPass auto detected my account information. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new account with a whole different email address. And so when I click on this little icon over here, which is LastPass generate a password, I can simply just hit the fill button. It's going to fill it, and then it's going to automatically ask me if I want to save that in LastPass. And that's actually the most simple and easy way to generate brand new passwords that are unique to every single site, as well as get them into LastPass. And so when I say add here, it adds it, I create it, and away I go. So then over time, it makes it super easy to get all of your existing passwords into LastPass. You get the ones that you use the most into there, your day-to-day. And then whenever you're creating a brand new account, which we all do based off of whatever products we want to buy or other things that we want to do, those get put into LastPass. I would say it's probably going to take you 6 months to a year to get the bulk of everything in there. And then, of course, you're going to come across those sites that you go into once a year, and then they'll eventually get in there too.